Like a dirty penny. Dirty, actually, penny. I've tasted a dirty penny. Dirty nickel. What do you mean by this? Dirty nickel? Imagine this, Jordan.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we gon' let it go. Yeah, I think that we gon' let it go.
Yo, welcome back to the Snapshot World Cup. We are over halfway done. If this is your first time here, go check out groups A, B, C, and D, but not until you check out group E. We are starting off with Japan. For Japan, we have a mysterious classic. This right here is the Samurai. We're gonna start off, y'all, with 3 ounces of sake.
More room temperature sake.
And 1 ounce of triple sec. This is an orange liqueur. We got a splash, or in this case, a 1/4 ounce of lime juice, and a splash of sweet and sour.
I did not think it was going to look like that.
This does not do the country justice. I'm sorry. This drink is okay.
It's a martini. It's a strong drink. Basically a sake martini.
I agree with you.
I don't think you like martinis.
4.5.
Interesting. Okay. I don't think your classic drinks are meant to be drank out of a martini glass. I enjoyed the sake. I could taste it a little bit. I don't know if the triple sec matched up with the sake the way I wanted it to. Again, I'm gonna give it a. I didn't not enjoy it, but again, it's not something I'm gonna seek out if I'm out and having a good time with my friends. 5.8. It was better than average. It wasn't much better than average.
Yeah, I'm somewhere in between those. There's a lot going on in this. It's really strong. It's definitely gonna get you there. It's not my favorite. I don't hate it. I'm in between a 4.5 and a 5.8, but I probably am closer to that 4.5 rating.
What was your
E? And for Spain, we have the Asiatico 43. It's made with, as you might guess, liqueur 43. I've never made this drink before. I am super excited to do so. I don't really have like the special glassware that it's supposed to come in, so I'm a little bit worried about that, but we're all going to figure this out together. So we're going to start off with 2 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to use Eagle brand, of course, America's most trusted. Then we've got 3/4 of an ounce of brandy. We're going to layer that right on top of the sweetened condensed milk. Then we've got 3/4 of an ounce of liqueur 43. We're going to layer that again right on top now. We're going to add hot espresso, which is not going to layer. Then we're going to add 1 ounce of evaporated milk on top. We're going to garnish it with a little bit of cinnamon. And there, ladies and gentlemen, you have the Asiatico 43. I will tell you, we should have probably done this in the glasses it was supposed to be in. They're narrow at the bottom, open up bigger, kind of like an ice cream cone.
This looks like a nice wax candle.
It's a pretty looking drink.
This is something that I would drink around 8, 9 p.m. at night when I know I'm going to eat dinner in Spain. I'm going to go out with the locals. I'm going to have fun. I fucking want to go to Spain so bad. 8.2.
Woo! Yeah, I gotta tell you, like, again, I'm a conservative rater. You guys know that. If I'm out in Spain and I'm watching the World Cup and it's on later, I'm getting one of these and I'm gonna have a great time that night. Again, you guys go out a little bit later than Americans do. So if I have one of these at like 8, 9 o'clock and I'm trying to have a good night, this is what I'm getting. So you know what I'm gonna say? 7.5.
Yeah, y'all, I'll tell you, I'm rooting for Spain now. Maybe not first, but I'm definitely, when Spain's playing, I'm probably rooting for them to win that game. I'm a fan. 8.2 is awfully high, but I'm probably closer to Dickey. Oh, wait, no. Ferb 7.5.
7.5, he's 8.2.
Oh, 7.5 that I'm closer to. Germany. And for Germany, we have the rum lemon Isobar. Shaker, no ice. We're going to take a thick slice of ginger. We're going to go ahead and drop that right into our shaker. Hey! We're going to take our muddler. We're not going to fully muddle this. We're also definitely never ever going to murder this. We're not committing a homicide. We never are when we are muddling. We're going to just press down lightly on the ginger. Then we'll add 1.5 ounces of light rum and 1/2 ounce of dark rum. We'll add 1 ounce of elderberry syrup and the juice of 1 lime. Now we're going to add ice. Remember, we had no ice in the shaker when we started. We're going to add some ice now. Top our beverage with some lemon soda. Then we'll garnish each one of these with 3 small pieces of ginger.
I'll tell you this. That's a strong goddamn drink.
It's just so cold, dude.
I don't like the ginger. Ginger is hard to chug. that ginger is hard to chug.
All right, Ferbalicious Frontier. The ginger in this drink made the drink good. It also ruined the drink for me. I think that this drink is something that you don't drink at a soccer game. You don't drink at a sporting event. It's something that you drink like if you're going on a date with somebody. So my review of this is going to be comparable to if you're going to a bar to watch a soccer game. And if it's going to a bar to watch a soccer game, it's going to be much lower than it is if you're going on a date. If you're going on a date, it's a solid drink to buy your date. If your date's coming up to you and she's like, oh my gosh, like blah, 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 my guy's so sophisticated, order her this drink and it's going to be a plus for you. It's going to be a 5.8 because it's a good drink. It's just not, it's not knocking out of the park for me.
I give it a 4.3.
A what?
4.3. And that's a 4.3.
And hey, if y'all want to see a first-hand look at Oktoberfest in Germany, you want to see us, Snapshot, take it, do an episode in Germany for Oktoberfest, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please. We are depending on you. Yeah, I like this drink. I am higher than a 4.3, and I might even be, yeah, I'm probably higher than that 5.8, so I am closer to Ferbalicious's 5.8 score. And for Costa Rica, we've got the Jaguar Colada. We've got 1 ounce of white rum, 1 1/4 ounces coconut water, 1 1/4 ounces passion fruit juice, 1 1/4 ounces coconut milk,
Oh my god, it's like a dirty diaper. Oh! I'm not gonna lie. This tastes like a dirty nickel. Like a dirty penny. Actually, penny. I've tasted a dirty penny. This is a dirty nickel. What do you mean by this? Dirty nickel? Imagine this, Jordan. I take a glass of milk and I throw a bunch of nickels in it. Is that what it tastes like to you?
You're not far off, dude. Here's what I'm going to say to the Ferbalicious Frontier. Have you had tzatziki sauce?
Yeah, okay. I see what you're
You have tzatziki sauce that went bad. Poured it into this drink.
Couple nickels?
Mixed it around, and then decided to chug it. That's what I'm giving it right now. Again, if you like tzatziki sauce like I do, it's not the worst drink. Something went wrong. It's a yogurt drink. Not a big fan. My rating is going to be 4.9.
2.2.
Wow.
I didn't like
that's a
one.
difference.
You told me this was like Alaska, Antarctica.
Something where they like milk yaks. Costa Rica, dude, it's like you have no excuse to give me a tropical beer.
So it's funny that they're talking about it like
Yes.
that. I think it's a passion fruit that ruins it for me. I think it just doesn't go well with the
There's
other
no
pieces
passion
of it.
There's no passion fruit.
Here's the rage, and I know you feel this too.
For the record, I'm closer to his score.
This is not the drink you slam. It's not the drink you want to drink. It's below average.
I'm gonna be honest, it's not the drink that you should order. For the Snapaholics out there, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We have a cocktail for every one of the 32 nations participating in the 2022 World Cup. This was Group E. We've got 3 groups left to go. Till next time, y'all, take care.
Please drink responsibly.
And do not drink and drive.